Hey everyone, don't have much through-hole stuff anymore, so I scrounged the parts bin and got a couple caps that I chased out on these K7000 Wells Gardner chassis. So I got both of them working real well for parts that I salvaged. I don't like to spend much money on free stuff, so it's good enough to push back to the back burner till later.